Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use CB charts, or otherwise known as the Crypto Bridge charting package. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the market watch and hide all of these symbols. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that we have the proper web request to the exchanges. Here we're going to demonstrate Binance Futures, Binance Spot. We're going to go to Expert Advisors, go to TTC, go to Pro, and you'll see CB Charts. Go ahead and drag and drop that onto the chart, or you can double click it. And what we have here is the different exchanges that we can select from. Currently we support over 20 cryptocurrency exchanges for charting. In this, we're first going to go to Binance. We're going to select the start date for downloading the data. For this demonstration, we're just going to download yesterday's data. This is the millisecond updating for the order book. The market we're going to chart will be, how about Cardano against the USDT pair. Now for creating the suffix, we can do something custom such as .binance if we want to, or you can just leave it blank and it will automatically create a suffix for you. And finally we have the quote digit, or otherwise known as the symbol digits. Now Cardano is currently trading a little bit over $1, but it shows 4 numbers after the decimal place, so we're going to enter a 4. We want to be alerted when the data is finished, so we will keep this true. And the other settings, you can go ahead and leave them false. Alright, and then click OK. Now CB Charts is going to create a new chart for you. And you'll be able to see that down here. And every 5 seconds it's going to download more data until it's finalized. Since we're only downloading 1 day of data, it's usually done within the first 5 to 10 seconds. And then we will get a pop-up message saying that the data has finished on the specific pair. So here we are. Here's Cardano against Tether. We downloaded 1 day of data. All of the time frames are supported. And if we go to the daily, it will show in just 1 bar and then our current bar that we're in right now. If you go to weekly, it's going to be blank because we didn't download enough data, and same with the monthly. What we're going to do is download a week of data, go back to the chart in the CB Charts robot, go to Expert Advisors tab, go to Properties, and we're going to change, load 1 week of data, leave everything else the same. Actually what we can do is change the suffix, and it's going to create a new chart. So I'm going to call this B spots. Everything else will be the same, and it's going to create a new chart for us. Alright, so here's our new chart with a new suffix, and I'll go to a larger time frame and you'll actually see the data download real time, and the historical bars will automatically be loaded. Now in the back end, what's happening is we're contacting the exchange public API call to download the 1-minute bars, and then Metatrader will make all of the higher time frames based off of those 1-minute bars that we're loading into the Metatrader database. Alright, so there's the pop-up message saying that the data has finished downloading. Alright, so there's our 1 week candle. This time we're going to download 1 month of data, so we will go back to February 25th. Alright, so I'm going to minimize that chart while it downloads the month of data. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and show you what the real-time data looks like. We're going to go ahead and go back to another blank chart that doesn't have a robot on, and we're going to download another market. So go ahead and take CB charts, drag it onto the chart. For this exchange, we're going to select Binance Futures USDT. We're going to start off with yesterday's date. The millisecond updating speed will also be 1000 milliseconds, and we are going to download BTC USDT. Alright, and the data is done. And now we can go ahead and go to View, Depth of Market, go down to Custom. This is where all of your symbols are going to be located. Crypto Bridge, and then BTC USDT. Real-time snapshots of the order book with 10 levels. Go back to View, Depth of Market, Custom, Crypto Bridge, and we are going to open up the Cardano USDT BNB because this is the one that's being updated real time. And now we have BTC on the left and then Cardano on the right, giving us real-time snapshots of the order book. And we can go ahead and adjust the depth of market to the other side.